made this little thing here. It's meant to fit this guy. See, those threads are much bigger. The space is much smaller here. I should have seen that. I am on Fusion 360 and it is a M64, but the spread is actually 3 millimeters. So here's my big handle on my big tiny house door. It fits perfectly with the style, as you can see. So those big nuts you can simply unscrew. And you can see I've got 3 screws. It's the proper thread. And ta-da! It's pretty strong. Strong enough for what it's doing, so it's awesome. There's a bit of dirt in there.